Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to post this video because at the last minute I decided to do a limited edition Peeps Dewdrop release. I do have my March and April release in my Etsy shop. My video with the new challenge will launch on March 1st, but they are currently available in my Etsy shop, or you can direct message me. These are the colors for March and April 2024, and I had these ready to go and have them listed, and I just decided, you know what, I wanted to do colors for the Easter peeps. These are the most popular Easter peep colors: the purple, the blue, the yellow, and the pink. These dewdrops are glittered, and I only have 9 sets available. I'm going to have 3 in my Etsy shop, and 6 I'm going to pull for people that direct purchase from me, and if more than 6 people direct message me, I will be removing them from Etsy. Let me show you this quick release. And so I'm going to try and get this video up on the 26th. My new release of these colors will be coming up on the 1st, but they are available in my Etsy shop. If you're interested in both, you can send me a direct message or you can purchase them through my Etsy shop. Let me show you the Peeps release. I made these cute little bunnies, and look at the tails. They are just so adorable. They do have some glitter to them, not much, just a little bit to bring out the color. We have the blue. I did flock my little bunnies to make them even cuter. Just the slightest sparkle. We have the traditional peep yellow. This one is so bright. I love how these turned out so much. Then we also have the pink. So you could see some of the glitter still there. I'll show you that I was creating with them. This is the bigger size peep die, and it's flocked. And then I added a dewdrop to each one. I think these came out so cute. This one actually looks like sugar, the way that the flocking went, and the pink one. This is the Peeps release. It is currently available. I only have 9 sets available. 3 are in my Etsy, and I'm pulling 6 for direct message. If I sell more than 6 direct message, then I will be pulling them from my Etsy shop. So we have 9 of these available, and that's under the Peeps Dewdrop release. On March 1st, my video for the March-April release will be these greens, this yellow, this purple, and this blue. I just wanted to get this launched before this launches so that you know that there is more than 1 set available. I hope you guys like this new color release. I'm super excited for these peeps. I could not wait to get these colored. I thought about it and I was like, you know what, I'm doing it. I stayed up really late dyeing the colors, adding the glitter, and they came out so cute. And I have a feeling this one's going to be selling out pretty quick. And with the glitter, it's really hard to create, which is why it was limited. I did weigh them out and I ended up with 9 sets. And here you can see how cute they look on projects. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'm looking forward to seeing your entries for the March release, and I hope you enjoy this limited edition Peeps release. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.